Hi everyone. So I was asked to do a collaboration with fgnormal.com and I had worked with them before, so I agreed to do another collaboration with them. And I ordered on August 6th and it arrived August 23rd. So it does take a little bit of time to get here as it does come from overseas, but definitely not too bad at all. So my first little item is this like little Mickey guy right here. And I tell you guys all the time, I love getting the little rhinestones that are the, I'm sorry, the little drill bits that are rhinestones. Those are my favorite to get. So, oh, this guy lights up too. I don't remember that he lit up. So you can see he has a little light in the center there. That's super cute. It is double-sided, little Mickey guy. And then, like I said, the drill bits and the rhinestones are my favorite to get. I always look to see what projects have the little rhinestones instead of the traditional drill bits, so that way I can go ahead and pick those out. So, got that little guy. I also got a canvas right here. And it is a little Nomi Homie with bumblebees. So we have the little dripping honey. We got some flowers. We got some bees in here. We got a little Nomi Homie saying being happy. And then on his truck, you guys know how much I love the old school trucks. And then this one is in rhinestone as well. So that's going to be really, really pretty. And you can see right here in the background that they do come in different sizes. So not all of them are teeny tiny. Some of them are larger. So you can see like right here for the little headlights on, or the tail lights on the car are going to be those larger pieces. And then every kit comes with this little traditional starter kit. You have your pen, your wax, and your tray. So you could go ahead and get started with that. So there's that guy. I got another canvas here, and this one is a skull. So you can see right here that that's what it's going to look like. It has some flowers. It has some little butterflies up there. Let me go ahead and open this one to show you guys. So here is our canvas. This one is smaller, which I like, and I like the ones that aren't every single bit is you fill it up with drill bits, because I like these because I can finish them in a day. So it's very, you know, satisfying to be able to do a project and complete it in a day. So I love this little Day of the Dead skull right here. It has little butterflies everywhere, it has flowers everywhere. Now this one is on the traditional side of the drill bits. You can see right here there is a couple yellows that are in rhinestone, a couple red, and a couple blue, but for the most part it's the traditional style, which is still fine. I know it's going to be really, really pretty when it's all done. And then again, here's a little starter kit that they all come with. And let's see, this store was amazing. It has a nice little mix of everything, which is really, really nice. So you can just go ahead and order and kind of get everything all in one shop. So they have wax seals. If you guys have been with me for a while, I was obsessed with wax seals for a time, and I definitely want to get back into it. So when I saw this little kit, I was like, oh my gosh, these have different colors than what I already own. So this one, it looks kind of more like a brick color, which I really liked. This yellow over here actually has like pearl shine to it. So half of them are like a pearl shine, and then the other half are just regular, like a matte looking color. So I really, really liked this mix right here. So you can see these have a little bit of that pearl shine to them. There we go. Let's see a little bit better. So you see this has that little shine, a little pearl to it, and then these are just the regular traditional. This gold over here has some little pearl shine to it as well. Some of these blues right here. Super, super pretty set. Love this set. I love that it has a mix of everything. And then when you're all done using these, because when I usually do my wax seals, depending on the seal, because they come in different sizes, I use 3 to 4, usually 4. So you use these up pretty fast. So once you're all done with that, you have this storage case to use for other items like your beads or your jump ring or whatever else you have. Oh my gosh, this item I thought was so stinking cute. Look at that. It's a little refrigerator. How cute is that? But it actually has a little hole right here on top for you to use it as a pen holder. And then it does come with little stickers, so you could go ahead and decorate your little refrigerator. I thought that was really, really cute. I am so obsessed with pens and just sticking them in cups. I have a bunch of cups full of pins or scissors. So when I saw this one, I immediately knew I needed to add it to my collection here. So here is the top where you're going to go ahead and put your pins in or whatever you like. But then it does open, which is what I wanted to show you guys. So here's my little fridge. It's got a little handle. Look, it even has a little handle. You just pop that open, and then look, you can open it up. You have a little spot right here on the door. You have this little compartment where you're going to put your pins, but then there is another little drawer down here at the bottom. Isn't that so cute? When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I need that in my life. And it does come in different colors. I just went with the traditional white, but there was blue and pink, I believe. There might have been a purple, but don't quote me on that. So yeah, I thought this was really, really stinking cute. I love that it has more compartments than, you know, just stick your pin in there. So I just love this. I think it's so cute. And then the stickers are definitely a really cute little bonus to go ahead and decorate. But I think I'm going to be very plain and just leave mine as is because it's just cute enough the way that it is. And my last little couple of items here, like I said, it's a well-rounded store with a little bit of everything. They do have dies, so I went ahead and I grabbed the spider web dies. I love spiders, so I needed that one. And then look at these little clippies. So these were meant for sewing or for cross stitch, but you know how sometimes we glue items down and we just want to hold it together? So I thought that these would be really pretty to go ahead and have for that. So they are a little bit clear, but they do have, you know, different colors to them. So there's some yellow, some orange, some blue, some purple, pink, a red, a green. So I just thought this was really, really cute. And like I said, you just put a little glue on and, you know, maybe you're trying to put a bow together. And that's what I do is I just go ahead and I clip them to hold it together so I can start gluing another little bow. So I thought those would work really, really well. And then I could always stick them over here in my little refrigerator down in this bottom little drawer. So that way I know where they're at all the time. So anyways, that is our little haul for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. And I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll try to remember to leave a link to all of these down below in the description box so it's easy for you to go ahead and go and find. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.